Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Tableau for UX Analytics, full guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the URL for your Tableau server. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, locate the login area. If you are a new user, register for an account first. For existing users, enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password carefully. If your organization uses single sign-on, look for the SSO login option. Click on the login button to proceed. Wait for the page to refresh. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to the Tableau dashboard. In case of an error, check the username and password for accuracy. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard interface. Explore the various features available for UX Analytics. You can begin analyzing data by selecting a project or data source. If needed, consult the Help section for additional guidance. With Tableau open, you are now ready to dive into UX Analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.